few pairs. We were looking at Euro USD, USD CAD, the dollar, odd USD, GJ. We were not looking. Oh yeah, well, I didn't show y'all these two. These two are new. So we're gonna go over these for right now. GJ, AU, DXY, Euro USD, and USD CAD. So USD CAD last night we were looking at when market opened, we were looking at price action to drop down into our zone and then start to move towards the upside. So it has done that. If you were able to enter in the zone, you should be up at least 19 pips. It has pushed a total of 28 pips. I do expect this to continue up. We could get a little bit more of a correction. Another low is possible for a structure, something like that, or we could just do a small retracement for the continuation up. But overall, this should continue up. So everything looking good here. Cheers to that. Um, I also gave y'all Euro USD. So this morning's live stream is mainly for updates. So y'all can see where price action is, what we have changed, and what's new. So the entry for Euro USD is now updated. So we're not entering here anymore. We're now entering a little bit more deeper in the retracement. I do see price action potentially coming to. Okay. So we do have the potential of just the textbook structural retest. So the impulse correction. We could correct back up to the previous break of support, which will now turn resistance. So we could go textbook on this, which would then drop us down there, or we could go off of our other methods, which would give us a drop either here or potentially just a little bit more deeper in and then the drop. So all three of these options are like on the card. So now, and this is kind of our box now, our new box. So that's the update on Euro USD. Still looking for this to sell down very soon. Um, that's it, y'all. This should be actually a really good trade. This is one of my highlights for this week. So the main thing that I'm going to be focusing on. So a little bit more of a push up. I'm going to try to grab the best entry that I can and just kind of write it down. Cool. DXY. So we were looking at two potential areas of reversal. So we had our first area, which would be here. So I don't think that we're going to rise just here yet. I think we're going to push down a little bit more into this zone and then push up. It doesn't have to go deep into the zone. It can literally go at the beginning of the zone. And I want to update that. So we'll probably end up going off of the 30, which would be around here. So either way, we're going to be looking for that reversal to come very soon on the DXY for upside move. Cool. All right. So next thing that we're going to be looking at is odd USD. Also, guys, if y'all are new to the stream, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView so that y'all don't miss out on any future streams. As well as if you scroll down on your screen right now, you'll see the link to our website, as well as our free Telegram chat room community, our email, our broker that we use, our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. All of that information is down below for you guys. Also, today we are having a Labor Day sale, so happy Labor Day to all of you guys. If you go to the website, once you put the item in the cart and like at checkout, you'll see the discount on everything. So there's discount on the mentoring package, on the bootcamp package, on the Forecaster Pro, and on the monthly signals package. Cool. So odd USD. So I was looking for price action to head up to actually take buy side liquidity and to reach into our zone and then a drop. So we might actually not get that. We might just get a pull into this range and then a drop. So I did want to kind of show y'all that on the update is that we now have a secondary level of interest that we might end up targeting instead of all the way up here. So we could see something like this and then that continuation down. So just watch out for that. This later on in price action could play a part, and we could still see a movement on this later on, depending on how price action reacts here. So, for example, if we are to start going long once we break this low, once we head back up into this area, I still would expect like a reaction from here until something like that. So we might still be looking at this maybe later on in the future if it does not trigger right now. Cool. So GJ, this one should be a really nice trade for y'all. I want y'all to definitely watch GJ. Don't miss GJ. This should be a really, really good trade right now. We are at a quarter point as well, holding on resistance. Um, Not much on GJ I want to update y'all with. We could still go for one more push up, but this should end up falling. So even if it does go for one more push up, I think the max level would be here. So we could wick here and then drop. Overall, GJ should fall and y'all's invalidation should be around here. So you're looking at around 40 to 50 pip stop loss. So anywhere between, I would say, yeah, anywhere between 40 to 50 pips, you can put your stop loss. And then I would be looking for GJ to roll over this week. So that's all the updates for now. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Again, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView, and the link to our free Telegram chat room community is down below. Tyson USD CAD, I'm looking for a continuation up. So we've already tested into the first initial zone here last night, and it started pushing up. I think it's like 18 or 19 pips up right now. We could go back for another retest. So structurally, we could do something like this and kind of, flag. And we could go for one more and then a push up. That's possible. Or we could just do a small correction and push up. Or we could just continue to go up from here. Overall, to the upside though. EU, downside, DXY, up. Odd USD, I'm going to try to find an entry on this one. We might not be able to catch it. Depends, but downside on odd USD, GJ downside. Let me see if there's anything else I probably want to show y'all. I'm really kind of just chilling right now. I know we do probably have maybe a movement on UJ to the downside. So y'all could maybe watch out for UJ. Let me see. So basically what I see on UJ is we're either going to get a reaction here for a downside move, or we would end up impulsively breaking back up. I probably wouldn't trade UJ just because it kind of has a two option bias, but at the same time, that's kind of structure like what I'm looking at right now. So this zone could play and we could end up bouncing back down into this level and kind of just playing that structure. So that's also something on UJ, but I probably wouldn't take UJ personally because there's just more better opportunities. Like GJ is way more better. I mean, it's literally dropping down now. So this is also one of the signals that we gave out to the signals team this week. Also, if you're in the free signals group that we opened up a few weeks ago, I just posted that in there for y'all this morning as well. So y'all should be in profit on GJ. So cheers, man. Y'all have a great Labor Day. That's all I wanted to share with y'all. Next runner up I'm waiting on is going to be Euro USD. And I'm having some fun with GJ right now. So all good, all in profit. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Again, the free chat room link is down below. That's where I post most of these updates. So yeah, appreciate y'all.